He's doing great.
All right, that's that shot.
Mike Jordan, less of a jump shot. The medic here. I'm just gonna have you sit there. Here, hold up, stop.
Hey, I'm just gonna pat you down real quick, making sure you ain't got nothing on you, right? No weapons, nothing like that. All right. Can you spread your feet for me? I'm gonna hold on to you. They're not gonna let you smoke. I'm gonna hold on to you so you don't fall, though. All right? I know. I'm just worried about you.
Well, look, can I talk to you guys?
Yeah, you can. Go ahead.
Yeah, go ahead.
Before you understand,
You're good.
sir?
You're good. You're good.
But look, sir,
You're
when I told you wasn't nothing wrong with me, sir.
Yeah.
Why don't you guys?
I don't think anybody believes that something's not wrong with you, but I think you need to go see a doctor.
A doctor?
Yeah,
Look.
some medical professional.
Jackson.
That's all.
You sure?
Yeah, I think we want to make sure you're okay. That's why we want to take you to the hospital. That's all.
You told me what's up. You know what I'm saying? You told me what's going on. That's why we're here. That's why we can't let you walk around, because you get hit, it's on us. I'm trying to watch out for you.
Can I please smoke a cigarette,
you can't,
sir,
bro.
before I jump in the
You can't.
car?
It can't happen. I know you want to. I would love you for it. It just can't happen. I'm sorry. We're gonna look. Give us a little bit. A couple hours up there. You chill. You bounce. That's it. You go home. You clean your house. You get your son's stuff ready. We're just trying to. I'm not trying to jam you up. I'm trying to keep it real with you.
I just want to feel comfortable, sir.
Well,
I just want
hey,
to
they're going to get you in here. They're going to get you a blanket on you here in a second, all right?
I got you. Remember? Just be cool with me.
These things will kill you, man.
You get on this, the faster this happens, the faster you smoke a cigarette. It just can't be right now. Okay? In a couple hours, once you chill, you know what I'm saying? I'll talk to you in here. Nah. There's options on board, my friend. You trying to blow us up? That's gonna be the last cigarette you smoke. You ain't gonna make it, bro.
When I'm going to throw this, I don't want to litter.
Nah, just keep. No. Here, do
Just
this.
keep it in there so you don't lose it.
Put your lighter in there. This is what's gonna happen. It's gonna fall out. You're gonna be pissed in about an hour and a half, and you can't find this. Put that in your pocket. Get on that cot. Trying to get you there.
Can I get my car, sir?
Where's your car at?
Can I get my car?
Because you can't drive, right? You don't want to get in the car.
You didn't drive here. You walked here, so sit here. That's what I'm saying.
Sir, I can't get my car, sir.
I'm guessing your car's right at the hospital.
Where are you gonna drive? You ain't driving it.
Yeah,
I promise you, when you relax, look out.
I tell you this morning.
Guessing he got spotted here.
You see all this.
He took off before they got to see him.
I think it's what.
Spotted up the hill.
Alright, cool. Alright, well your friend's gonna help you out when you sober up, so just stick out for me. You're doing good, man. We're almost there.
I just want to smoke a
I feel you.
cigarette, sir.
Here,
I
hey,
had bad anxiety.
Can you rotate your feet up?
I had bad anxiety.
I know, I'm talking. I feel you, but you can't right now.
You look like you're doing really good though right now, I'm going to say.
I'm more anxious than you right now.
I had bad anxiety,
Here.
sir.
Jackson, hey, sit back.
Yeah.
Slide back a little bit.
There you go.
So this is, I'm putting seatbelts on you only. Can you lift your arms up?
I will feel way a lot better if I smoke a cigarette, sir.
I feel way a lot better if I,
way a lot better.
yeah, you just can't. It is what it is,
Do you
bud.
have my other cigarette?
You only
Put it
had
in
the
your
one.
box. You only had one, I put it in your box. I already helped you out twice today. You said you wanted to get rid of your box, my man. Look at these seatbelts. Look how you're looking fashionable. Alright, we're gonna roll this up, alright?
So will I be able to smoke a cigarette here?
Over there?
Hospital?
At the hospital?
Inside here?
No, bro. No, there's options on board. You're gonna blow this up. You got your whose birthday is it tomorrow? Whose birthday is it tomorrow?
Whose birthday?
Your boys? Yes. So, you ain't trying to
Is he good then?
Yeah. On the move, bro.
Let's check him here real quick. Property and all that.
I'm going to say all of them worked on training.
Affirm.
Hey buddy, we're gonna put all your property in one spot so it doesn't get lost anywhere on the way. Yeah, any property you have on you. I don't know if they have an extra bag or what we could use here. You got anything in your pockets. You got something in there. All right. Well, it's all got to come out. What about your? Can we use your hat just to dump your property in as kind of a bag? Yeah. We'd dump it all in there and then bring that in with you. Would that work?
34 at the International.
I can ask him for a bag. That's got something. It's got something in it. Hold on. You guys have a bag that we could borrow or use? Like a plastic bag, just so we could put his property in. Nah, just a small one. Thank you.
I wanted to write some number down. Can I write a number down, please?
Where are you going to get the number from? Maybe a little bit bigger. Sorry. You think that'll work? Okay.
I think that's okay.
I guess
Sorry.
I should specify, but I think we'll make it happen.
Okay.
We'll cram it in there. Right, step on over there, buddy.
Need help?
Don't worry about all that. They'll get that.
Climb out here.
There you go. That's not coming with you, so.
Well, pants are coming down, bro.
There. I'm gonna grab all this stuff, put it in this bag, okay?
Can I please smoke a cigarette?
No, not right now. You don't have nothing sharp in your pockets, do you? Hopefully somebody would have caught that earlier.
$1.
Uh-oh. Got a little bullet action. Don't see people carrying this around every day. Christine. Who's Christine? Oh my goodness. Got names on different names on every single card you have on you.
Oh, no, that's just my people stuff.
That's your people stuff?
Yeah.
Do you like the property guy? Hold on to everybody's stuff for him?
Yeah.
Get his arm behind his back right now. Oh, stop.
What are you doing?
Stop.
You grabbing my balls, sir?
You get that arm.
Yo, sir, you was grabbing my balls, man.
Give me your arm now! Get out of there now!
Man, you grabbing my balls, man. Oh, man.
I can't.
I'm giving it to you, man.
You let go!
You on my arms, man.
Give me your hat now!
Man, you on my arms, man. You really is on my arms, man.
Get security, man!
I'm going to comply, man. I'm going to comply, bro. You just, oh, fuck, man. Ah!
Let go!
Oh, man.
It's still in there, dude. It's still in there.
Ah!
My fucking guns!
I'm getting up.
Drop the gun now!
No, stay there!
Drop the gun!
I dropped it.
No, you didn't. Put both hands up now!
I dropped it.
Put your hands up!
My hands is up, sir.
Don't move!
My hands is up.
Get your hands up now!
My hands.
Put your hands up where we can see them!
My hands is up,
Put your
sir.
other hand up where we can see it! Just watch out. He already fired.
On the wall! On the wall!
He's got a gun!
My hands is up, sir.
Get your other hand up now! Get it up!
Get it up!
Get your hand up! Put your hand up now!
You twist my arm, sir.
Get out.
ER room 9, he's still got a gun.
Go! Get your hand up!
I got it up.
Get your other hand up!
Okay.
Now! Now! Get it up! Get your hand up! Get your hand up now! Get your hand up now!
I am.
Now! Get your hand up!
I am, sir. I am.
Are you okay?
Yeah. Can't really move.
I am, sir. I am. Can you just calm down, sir? I am.
I can't move, man.
Get your hand up, dude. Yeah. Get your hand up. Go. Get your fucking hand up.
My hand
Get
is
your hand up now. Get your hand up.
My hand is up.
Put your other hand up now.
96.
I said I can't get up, sir. I can't get up.
Get your other hand up. I don't care.
Let go of it. Let go of it.
I let go of it, sir. It's on the floor.
Put your fucking hand up now. Get your hand. Get your other hand up.
My other hand is up, sir.
Put it up above your head. Put it on your head. Get your right hand up. We're trying.
Other hand, dumbass.
Get your other hand on your head now.
I'm just scared if
Get your right hand up.
I'm just scared if I move, you are gonna shoot
No.
me.
Put your hand on your head.
I'm just scared if y'all
Put your hand on your head.
I'm scared y'all gonna shoot me.
Be careful. He fired a shot off. I don't even know how I didn't get hit. Put your hands up now.
I'm
Get
just
your
scared.
fucking hand up, dude. Get your. Andy's in the room with him. Get your hand up, dude. You got about 4 guns on you.
My
You
hand.
make a wrong fucking move and you're gone. You understand
That's
that?
why I'm saying my hand is up.
Get your other hand on your head. Now.
I don't want to make.
Get another hand up now. Get your right hand up, dude.
Right hand up. Don't do it.
I'm not gonna do
Don't
nothing.
do it.
I'm not gonna do nothing.
Get your right hand on your head now. Put your other hand up.
Dude, my hand is on my head, sir.
No,
Real
get
simple,
your
man.
right hand up.
Put your hand, your other hand.
So if I move, y'all not gonna.
No, put your hand on your head.
Put your hand on
Put
your
it
head.
on your head slow.
Yep.
So if I move, y'all not gonna
Put your
shoot me.
hand up now. Hold on, let's wait till we get somebody else in here. You're good.
Y'all not gonna shoot me if my hand
Put
is on
your
my
other
hand.
hand up now.
We want it up in the air. Slowly.
Go ahead.
Slowly. Put your
Mine's over
hand,
there.
right hand up in the air. Slowly.
Oh, I can't. I'm leaning on
Get your
it.
hand up, dude. Put your hand up now.
I do, but I'm watching him.
I'm leaning on it, ma'am. I'm leaning on it. I'm putting the gun down and I'm getting.
Do not touch the gun. Let go of the gun and put both of your hands up over your head.
Jason, you
Over your head.
wanted to tase him.
That's
Get your
why.
hand up now. Hand up. Get your hand up. I swear to God, dude. Taser, taser. Get your gun. C5. He's down. Let me help him now. Hold on. Cover.
I got him.
With you.
Oh my God.
You good? Hey, all good.
Hold that arm. Hold that arm out. I got my foot on it. We're good.
Yes. You all good?
Suspect now.
Right here. He's caught. Where's medics?
Get a medic.
Get medics in here.
Medics!
86 radio. The suspect is secure.
Andy, are you good?
Bring the medics in now.
Andy, get out here. Holster up. Where do you want him? Trauma room. Get him in that bed.
Get him out! Get him.
Group 9.
Be careful. He fired a shot off.
Okay.
I don't even know how I didn't get hit. Put your hands up now. Get your
14
fucking
be advised,
hand up,
shots have been
dude.
fired.
Get your... Andy's in the room with him.
Okay.
Get your hand up, dude. Well, you got about
You wanna
4
switch me?
guns on you. You make a wrong fucking move and you're gone. You understand that?
I'm saying my hand
It's
is
up to you.
Get
It's
your
up to
other hand
you.
on your head. Now.
I don't want to make.
Get another hand up now.
Calm Silver, ER
Get your right hand up, dude.
Silver.
Right hand your other hand up!
Dude.
My hand is on my head, sir.
No, get your right hand up, dude.
Put your hand, your other hand!
Move, guys.
No, put your hand on your head!
Put your hand on your
On
head.
your head, slow!
Do you have a taser, Dan?
Yep.
Light his ass up.
Put your hand up now!
Hold on, let's wait till we get somebody else in here. Danny's still in
You're
there.
good, you're good, you're good, you're good.
I'm not going to shoot me. It's my hand.
Put your other hand up now!
We want it up in the air.
We need
Slowly,
taser out, guys. So control this.
Go ahead.
slowly, put your hand, right hand up in the air. Slowly.
Oh, I can't. I'm leaning on
Get your hand up there! Put your hand up now!
You got the taser?
I do, but I'm watching him.
I'm leaning on it, man. I'm leaning on it. I'm putting the gun down. And I'm
Put it down! Get your hand down!
Davey,
Let go of the gun and put both of your hands up
Davey,
over your head.
Davey, if you take my spot, I'm gonna tase him.
Get your hand up now! Hand up!
Dana, quit waiting to do it. I got you.
Get your hand up! Cover, go! I swear to God, dude! Taser, taser! Gun!
You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
He's down! He's
14.
down! Cover! Let me help him now. Hold on, hold on. Cover!
I got you. I got you.
Okay, I'm staying back. Get back, get back, get back. Get back.
Hey, I'm good.
Is our partner okay?
Is anybody hit?
14.
Is anybody hit? Where's the suspect? He's on the floor. He's down.
Okay.